Hi everyone, we are currently in a little rest area. There's a trail. I don't think I'm gonna do it with Kitty. He's got a lot of tourists and everything, so I think we're just gonna stretch here. She's hunting right now. And after that, going to see that trail. So. Alright, Kitty is back to the van. Gonna go check that trail, which I never saw. And the signs are in French and English because we are in a national park. Alright, but that's it. That was the trail. I walked 2 minutes.
For you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise, that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the light, and the truth may come as a surprise, that with you I feel alive.
Great. Alright, this is the view of the campsite. And it's a free campsite. It's quite busy. I thought it's Sunday. I thought that, you know, maybe later on people is gonna leave, but yeah, it's alright. The view is gorgeous though. So my first idea when I came here, I'm like, perfect. It's right beside a little creek, a little river. I'm gonna be able to have a nice warm shower with my portable shower. But it's got people all over the campground, and even though I have my tent and technically, you know, nobody will see me, I still know that they know that I'm having a shower. So there's someone right there. There's some people right there in front of me. We'll see, maybe later on I'm gonna find a little quiet time or quiet spot. We'll see. But I'm just gonna marinate my dinner. For the marinade, I do have this sauce. I think it's like sauce mixed with something. It was something that I purchased and they had that sauce. Yeah, it's a little bit sweet. So I'm gonna use that as a marinade. And I think I'm gonna put extra. Definitely gonna put some chili pepper flakes because I love sweet and spicy mix. And I'm gonna put a little bit of maple syrup. Because why not? Kelly! Who are you showing them? Sorry, it's not what the view was supposed to be. You could jump the water too. Yep, you can do it. Let's go. see some little fish. Can you see them, man? You wanna catch some mini fish? So it's getting a little warm in the van and outside, I should say. So Kitty and I went inside, and I'm gonna put the box screen. Let the van let's get a nice breeze. So first time that we're gonna put the mosquito. Currently Kitty is sleeping on a little gel. You're not really on it though. Half on it. But if you don't know, have a little mosquito net sticking around here. It's hard to show you, but between the frame of the van and this piece of wood, and I just tuck it down. And I saw some little magnet. You guys gonna have a hard time to see, but this mosquito net, it is what it's called, patio mosquito net that you can get. I got that probably at Walmart a while ago, and I just saw on this edge here, on the other edge, some little magnet, and just snap into the frame of the van. I also have some extra magnet things here. This is mainly this mosquito net. Let's go down. I've done that mostly for Kitty, to be honest. Yes, it's good to just remove a couple of mosquito, obviously, but it's like when it's too hot and Kitty just tired to be outside, and I don't want to put her on leash right now. She's still on leash because we have the other door open and everything. But yeah, so that keep me like, you know, we close the other door, we leave this one open, and I have nice little breeze of air. I can just lay down on the bed, read or do whatever, and Kitty should just like still have a nice little breeze and looking outside. I don't know, so it's mainly for Kitty, and obviously a little bit for the mosquito. Oh, we have a hole there though. I have a hole there. I'm gonna put the pillow. There you go, no more. Oh, this is perfect. Now you sleep better on your little gel pad. Yeah, this is way better. So we were inside, but the van's getting just a little bit hot right now. So it's getting outside. So I don't want to go cook on the picnic table because it's in the sun. But I think I'm gonna use my little table. It's not the strongest one. It's not perfect, but we'll make it happen, I think. Like so. Should this piece. So we're gonna eat some asparagus because I have some fresh one. Keep some for tomorrow. I heard a bird was just right there underneath the van, and I was like, what are you doing there? Just when I was thinking about, you should go, I have a cat. Kenny just like jump on it. She didn't catch it, but I think he realized that was not a good spot for him. What are you doing there? What are you doing get catch. No food for you. Go, 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 little guy. Go. It's not a good idea. Not a good idea. Come on. Alright, the best part with this dinner is I don't have anything to cut, and it's gonna cook quite fast. So the asparagus are half cooked. I'm gonna put the soy sauce with the whole marinade inside. I'm gonna put the whole thing. There you go. So the only issue is that I need kind of be able to adjust this table, because right now it's got an angle, and kind of need to be a little bit more like this. So I'm just holding it for now. All right, that's done. My dinner. So this is what the dinner looked like. So good. Especially at the end when everything caramelized. So I think I just need to put like a screw or something where I could, you know, adjust the height with it. Project for another time. Alright, Kenny and I are back inside. The fan cooled down a little bit. We are just not people that like sun too much. I'm one of those people that if it's too sunny, like too much heat, and just like I don't feel good, like I need, like you see me all the time in the shade in the summer, just because if I have too much sun I'm gonna have a headache, I'm not gonna feel well. I'm one of those people. So we are back inside in the shade, relaxing. Katie, I think she's she's one part of the club now that she's getting a little bit older. She doesn't want to stay outside for too long. Eh? Enjoy your cooling pad? Yeah. You like it a little gel, Katie. She even put her biddy into it. So if you don't know, this gel is just get cold when she lay down on it. You love it. Yeah. I'm really enjoying my little view from my van right now. The river seems to be a little bit higher. It's definitely higher than when I arrived. I think all the snow that melt on the glacier. Yeah, I'm really enjoying. It's kind of like the first kind of summer day. Yesterday was warm too, but I didn't really enjoy it that much, let's say. Now I just feel like this is a good van life type of day. And right now it's 7:06, yeah, almost 7, and it's definitely cooling down, which is the best part of this time of year. I don't mind if it's like that type of temperature is during the day, as long as the night are cold and they are like 5 degrees, max 10 degrees I think we had. So yeah, it's been great. So I was just relaxing and I realized I think it's gonna be the last day in British Columbia. Tomorrow we are going to the Rocky, so passing the Rocky itself, and we're gonna cross to Alberta. So I think, yeah, I think it's gonna be the last day in British Columbia. Like you probably know, if you don't know, I am currently crossing Canada all the way to Quebec. So yeah, we are crossing the first province, British Columbia. Tomorrow gonna be the last time that we're gonna see big mountain. There's always a little bit of sadness when I leave British Columbia. I just moved here, if you don't know. I moved here I was 22 years old. Yes, I still have a big accent. Yes, my English is still messed up sometimes. What it is, you know, that's what it is. But yeah, I moved when I was 20. I think I was 21 years old with my backpack, not speaking one word English. And I just fell in love with British Columbia, and I just been here since. Between here and Alberta, I was in Alberta a little bit, in Edmonton, but mainly in British Columbia. And I'm just, the mountain and the water, that's what I'm just, it's what my soul, if I can say that, but it's what I want. Like deep down, it's just like feels so good. So when I'm leaving the province to a place where they still have some of them, some mountain, and some, obviously some of them have lakes and all this, it just doesn't feel like the combination with gorgeous lake, like turquoise water lake type of, in mountain, and it's just like you feel like so tiny. It's just like a feeling, I don't know how to describe. It's just, the mountain make you realize how small you are in the world and how much everything is possible. Just what I feel when I see the mountain, those big mountains. So yeah, but I'm still excited to live and to visit. Like I said, we definitely taking way more my time. 2 or 3 years ago, I think I've done it, crossing Canada all the way to Newfoundland. And this one we've done it like really fast, and we spend most of our time on actual the East Coast, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward, and all those places. But yeah, this time we just slowing down, and hopefully gonna have the opportunity, if the forest fire and everything and the weather is with us, to visit the middle of Canada and north too as well, hopefully. But right now I'm just, yeah, just realized that's one of the last day in British Columbia. Slowly making our way. So I think it's gonna be hit first. The van slowly cooling down. It's 27 degrees right now. Just really like the sun's going down, so it's definitely making a big change. So I hope you enjoy this little video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty, obviously. You wanna give them a kiss? Would you like to give them a kiss, Kitty? Yeah. Hey, where you going? Where you going? You like your little summer bed? Yeah. Alright. Give me a little kiss. Huh? Just some love. Alright. I'm gonna give you love for all the people that are watching you, Daddy. There you go, guys. You always give them love, so it can be your turn now.